It is day 2 of our Healthy at Home series, and today we're focusing on the water that we all drink and the air that we breathe. Skip BEDELL joins us with his solutions to purify both. Seems very important. Hey, Skip.
Hey, good morning, Ainsley. Thanks for having me back. Yes, this time of year, we're spending so much time in the home. It's winter. Our heating systems are running around the clock. And of course, the windows and doors are sealed up. So it's very important to maintain good air quality in the home. You want to make sure you change out the filter in your HVAC and your furnace. And of course, still treat the #1 name in air filtration at home. They have a brand new product right now. This is a smart air purifier. This thing is absolutely amazing. We've been using it in our home now for quite a while. We just love it. It's perfect to have around the kitchen. You can put it in anywhere in the home. So I have a video there if you want to go ahead and play that. It's going to show using it in the kitchen as well, where you're making smoke. You have different contaminants in the air, things like allergens, dust, pollen, mold spores, bacteria, virus. Definitely when you're cooking in the kitchen, you're creating smoke and you want to filter all that out. So this works with your smartphone, your tablet. You can automatically control it from anywhere, and it turns itself on and off automatically, which is great. So you don't have to maintain it yourself. It simply comes on when it needs to. It senses poor air quality, and then it ramps up in speed. You can see the filter right here. The filter is super dirty. I just changed it the other day. You look from clean to dirty. It's like a huge difference. So the Filtrete Smart Air Purifier, you want to get one of these to keep your house nice and clean and air clean. Also, water. So important that we filter all of the water that comes into our home, not just the water that we drink. Like most people have filters underneath their sink or in their refrigerator or use bottled water. You want to filter all the water with a whole house water filter like the one I use here from King Water Filtration. So what's great about this is there's no salt to add, no maintenance, no filter in it whatsoever to change. If you look up here, it's a very simple, easy installation. You can go ahead and roll the video I have there. It's super easy to install. There's one port with a hose that comes in and one hose that comes back out to the house. You put this in your garage, your basement, right where the main valve is, but this will filter out all the contaminants like chlorine. It'll filter out all the heavy metals, lead, mercury, arsenic, all the bad things that are in the water. Best part is it's completely self-cleaning, so there's no maintenance ever. You set it and forget it. It's got this computer up at the top that does everything for you. And with a 10-year warranty, you have peace of mind that the water in your home is going to be safe, alkaline drinking water. Right now, there's a promo code. If you guys look on the website at kingwaterfiltration.com, use the promo code SKIP. You'll get $1,000 off the price of this filter today for viewers if you use my promo code SKIP. kingwaterfiltration.com. They have amazing products there.
And, Skip, I have that.